Okay. Now see the pattern of letter. Here I have written both the letter, formal and informal. You should know the pattern. If that pattern you are following, you are going to get the marks for it. Okay. Now first focus on formal letter. Formal means official. You are writing to whom? The principal, to any boss, to any editor, director, whatever. That is a formal letter. Formal letter, first it should come your address. From address means if I am writing, then my address. Don't write a very long way address. Short. And it is also not necessary, because for examination purpose you are writing, not necessary to write your original address only. Right? Being very honest, writing a full your original address. No. A short way. Like for example, from address you written house number 282B, Rustampur, Gorakhpur. Finish. Just 3 lines you have written, finish. Then after from address, you have to leave one line. After everything, you have to leave one line. Then date. Date how you are going to write? Like today is 5th. So 5th, you have to write like this. 5th November, full month name. November 2020. Okay? This way. If it is 3rd, then RD will be equal to it, not on top. TH, RD, ND will be not on top. It will be equal to the number. Then month, full name, comma, year. Okay? To address, to whom you are writing. And one thing children, it should be clear. Now we are not writing to the principal. We directly write the principal, the editor, the director. To is cancelled. So don't write to, T or to not to be written. Just directly the, if you are writing editor, the editor. Times of India, New Delhi, whatever. 3 lines. Okay? City name should be there. Delhi, Gorakhpur, Bombay, whatever it is. Okay? Then leave one line. Again you have to leave one line. Salutation means you are writing dear sir. No respected. Again I am saying no respected is accepted. Both formal and informal you have to write only dear. Dear sir or dear madam. Body of letter. Body of letter you know. First you are writing the introduction. Then the purpose of the letter, and then your reason or solution. That should be only there in 3 paragraphs. 2 to 3 paragraphs, letter is over. Okay, first letter, for what purpose you are writing, means what is the intro, then the reason for it, then solution for it, or anything else you have to write down there. Nothing extra in that. Okay, that you have to do. Then thanking you is must, thanking you, comma, yours faithfully. Formal letter, learn that you have to write faithfully. Informal, you have to write affectionately. These 2 words, learn it by heart. Nothing lovingly, obediently, sincerely, not accepted. It is not accepted. Only faithfully is accepted. So faithfully you are writing. From here you will start putting comma. Here no need to put comma and all. From here you have to start faithfully comma. Then your full name. Remember, in formal letter you have to write your full name. Remember like this. To address, to name. One address, one name. This way you can learn it. To address you are writing here, from and to. So your name should be also to. If your first name is like Shyam. So Shyam Shankar. If your name is Pooja Yadav. Even though your name is only one, but in letter you can write full, whatever. Pooja Yadav, Pooja Singh, whatever. So full name to be written. Okay, this way. Now informal, only one address we write. From address, who is writing. That person's date, same way you have to write the date. 2 address is not there. Directly salutation means dear. Now here you are writing to your close ones. Dear mummy, dear father, dear mother, dear brother, dear friend. Friend's name you can write dear Rahul, whatever you have written. Body of letter. Body of letter. Now here what you write, intro you give. Intro, if I am very glad to write to you, or I am very sad to hear that you met with an accident. If it is a sad letter, sorrowful, so you have to begin, I am very sad to hear. Joyful, I am very glad to hear that you have passed in your examination with the flying colors. Now if you need a help, if a friend is asking, he needs a help, so I will help you in your studies. So these points should be there, not that informal whatever you will write, all funny things, no. You have to write, the logical thing should be there. If you want to help that child, you have to write, I will come to your house, I I will teach you from this time to this time. All the points should be there in the body of the letter. Then here thanking you is not there. Directly you will write yours affectionately. No lovingly, no dear friend, nothing, your friend. Some people write your friend. No. Yours affectionately. And remember, Y will be capital. It will be not apostrophe S. It will be Y-O-U-R-S. Affectionately, A will be small. Okay, and comma and your first name. Here not full name. Here only first name. So here how you will remember? One address, one name. Only your first name you will write. But here both the name you have to write. Your first name and your surname. Both you have to write. Here you are thanking you. Here in the third para you can write give my love to your parents, convey my regards. That is the last line here. Okay. So this way you have to write informal letter and this way you have to write the formal letter. This is the pattern. And if you follow it in body of the letter, be very sure don't write unnecessary things. Not to write unnecessary things, be very logical. Remember, these letters are not going to someone. You are not posting it. You are writing to get the marks. So be logical. What is being taught, same thing you write. Clear now? Formal and informal?